our great leader in FCT, our mother, the Minister of State. Because of time, today is not a grammar day, neither English day. On behalf of my good people of Kwali Area Council, His Royal Highness and all other respected members, the good friends of the honorable ministers, the only man that we have in FCT that know that he's connected to his people, the definition of people, sorry sir, with distinguished Senator Philip Aduda and all other respected people. Today is just to thank the honorable minister, the Kwali people. Kwali people, are we all happy? Are we all happy? Okay, we just want to thank you because there is no time for us to speak English today. But I just want you to look at your back and see what Gilmore has done to us in Kwali Area Council. Look at the primary school. Look at all the renovation that they have done. Even in this village, we have runabout. Kwali don't have a befitting runabout like this place. This runabout alone. My own town, Kwali, doesn't have this runabout. Gilmore, I want to thank that company called Gilmore. We will not stop disturbing you. We will not stop asking you. Oga, when you resume office, the issue of kidnapping, bandits, all these people have run away because of the access of this road. We have sent them completely out of Kwali Area Council. We celebrated our Christmas without any hitches. We are saying thank you so much for what you have done to Kwali Area Council. You have linked the network of Kwali Area Council. This road, it will link to Yogu and to Kuje Area Council. The same Kweta road is going to link to Yogu and Kweta and Sabo. So what I am appealing, sir, there is just one bridge called a bridge. That if you can do it for me, I will not even ask you for another road again, sir. I will not ask for any other road again. So that road is the only thing that is left that the entire people of Kwali have to tell you. Thank you and God bless us all.
And gentlemen, I thought today I would have relaxed here to dance with our people. But unfortunately, I have to run away because of another engagement. But let me not forget, Mr. Chairman, Mr. Adon Chairman, please listen. Mr. Adon Chairman, because you have led your people well, because you have supported this administration, because your people are happy with you, let me tell you, that bridge will be done. Thank you very much. Kwali people, are you happy? Are you happy with Mr. President? You are happy with Mr. President? Mr. President said, anything you want, you should ask me, we will do it for you. Let me tell our people, sometimes last year, the Honorable Minister of State and my humble self, we visited Kwali, where we had stakeholders meeting. And in that stakeholders meeting, you told us what your problems were. And one of the problems you told us that was for us to construct this particular road. I thank God Almighty that we made that promise, and today is a promise made and promise fulfilled. And you can see you are the first community where we are doing road and put street light. That is to tell you that the government of Bola Ahmed Tinubu is committed for the development of our people. And therefore, all we urge you to do is just to be patient. If you are patient, at the end of the day, we'll benefit from this administration. Kwali local government, we made promise of building some police stations. That is ongoing. Let me thank Gilmore Company for what you have done. As far as this school is concerned, I also urge other companies to emulate Gilmore by contributing for the development of the community. This is the road that are awarded to Gilmore, and they have finished the road on time. But they do not end up there. They have to renovate these schools. Thank you, and God bless you. Agreement, eh? Agreement is Agreement is You do for me, I do for you. Do for me. Thank you. So let me invite you to join us as we commission this project. Thank you, and God bless you. To the glory of God, today being the 21st of January 2025, I commission this road for the use of our people in God's name. Yango Jisokuku, Eboro, Kwali Area Council, officially commissioned today by my humble self, today the 21st of January 2025, to the glory of God.